What's up, everybody? Welcome to Life on the Rock, Niue Island. Going shooting today with my bro over here.
Hello.
Last time I go spearfishing with this fella and his old man. He was only like a little kid, maybe 10, 11 years old. But he's been in Australia, so he's just been back not long now. It's good to catch up with him again and go back to our stomping grounds like he's used to. He's not a little kid anymore. As you can see, he's a man now. The man. All right.
Wish us luck.
Check that out. Ooh.
Beautiful, huh? Let's go.
A little bit of background about yourself, brother.
Name is Ricardo. Half Cook Islander, half Niue. From Australia. I live in Australia, but used to live here 14 years. Love spearfishing. Now back at it again. It's the bro. Thank you, Jay. And hopefully we'll catch something today. Hopefully we'll catch heaps.
When was the last time you went spearing here on Niue?
Probably 2013, 2012, 2013.
Over 10 years ago.
Too long.
So I want to tell you a little story. I used to go back in the days when he was just a little kid. I couldn't believe it how his old man, real island way of teaching the kids. One time I remember he was just out there with one flip around and his old man was way in the front, didn't even look back, and I was just hanging at the back watching out for this fellow. He was really young, but man, he was the man. He just keeps coming.
No torch.
When we went out night hunting, diving for crayfish at night time, this fella here following us, the adults, he's just a kid at the time. No torch, just following the adults at the front. And I always go, man, look at that. And I think I was the one who's always hanging behind to be with this guy because I feel sorry for him. But I guess that's just how the island way. Tough love.
Tough love. That's it. Tough love.
So it's good to see him now. He's not a kid anymore. Looking forward to go out with the bro. Yep, see you there. Woo! Woo. See that fella in the water, wasting no time. we're back.
Very good. Very happy.
Yeah, he did pretty good, this fella. Looks like he never left. And our bag, a bit heavy.
A ton, I reckon. Weighs a ton.
We'll shoot our phone, we'll clean it at home, just so that catch the kids when they come from school.
Let's go.
So we're back home now, opening up our bag.
Wow. Hey. Who shot this one?
That one was just swim inside the bag.
I think that one just jumped inside.
Ah, still plenty more in there.
Still plenty. We need a bigger table. LOTR-NI.
Are you counting it, bro?
Oh no, I was counting up to 10. Mate,
Not a bad size there, eh?
Sunday lunch this one, you reckon? Sunday
Yeah.
lunch?
Good for Sunday lunch, alright. Fakes.
Yeah.
Pretty good size there, eh, bro?
Oh, very good. Good size. Good pictures. See? Oi!
Oh, they're still moving.
Yeah.
Nice, and one fecky. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah. Not too bad.
Okay. $29.30. $41.
Wow. Ooh. Yep, and 2, 4, 5, and 6 of these.
Nothing can beat this. Fresh. Now look at that. Straight from the sea into the mouth. Okay, cheese. Woo! You got that? A little bit of lemon. Cayos.
Cow pie.
Car pie. Beautiful.
Just gonna clean the catch. Yep. And we can poke it in close. Woohoo! Check this out. Beauty. So we pretty much finished cleaning our catch. Here it is. So we're just gonna distribute them now. But that's our haul for the day. Like my bro here says, it's a good day. And it is a good day. Signing out now. Our catch. We divided our catch.
Beautiful day, bro. Thank you.
No problem, brother. So here we go. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this little spearfishing episode with me and my bro back here. So good to have him come back on, especially now as an adult. Like I told you before, when we were going out, I was in my 30s, and this fella here was like 10, 11, 12, around about that age.
Not about that.
Yeah, and it's good to see him now, and man. All right, brother. And also to like to shout out to his old man, one of my spearing buddies back in the days, PK Williams. Take care, brother. Hopefully you'll get to come back home and we carry on.
Make sure you comment too, brother.
That's right.
Thank you.
Okay. Peace.